Best free alternatives for InVideo AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, if you are someone that was planning on using InVideo AI to build a bunch of content and then you realize that InVideo AI is pretty expensive, it can create some really amazing content for you, but it does come at a really steep price and not everyone is ready to pay that as of yet. So for that purpose, InVideo AI can now be replaced by a bunch of these other AI tools. But let me tell you guys one major thing. Although all of these tools are amazing and InVideo is a paid tool, all these other tools, if you honestly want to create some content, then you would have to pay for them. No free tool is going to create the type of content that you want. And I would say that the best content that is going to be created by a paid tool. The reason for that is almost every other AI platform is offering you to create videos. But if you want to consistently create long form videos or YouTube videos, content, advertisements, UGC ad, whatever it might be, then you will have to opt for a paid plan. But I will show you guys some really inexpensive tools that are going to lead you to have so many sales and so much in earnings that their pricing is going to be pretty reasonable. Starting off with InVideo itself, InVideo starts at $35, which per credit price is around $3.5, which is pretty expensive. Then they have their generative, which is $120, and this is considered their best value plan. Now I have a few alternatives because InVideo lures you in by providing you the option to start creating your content, and when it's finally time to export your content, then they ask you to upgrade. Instead, you can opt for Pictory. Now, if you go into Pictory AI, Pictory is able to convert any script into a video. It's pretty simple and easy to use, and it truly is something that is going to be super useful. They have a 14-day free trial that you can avail when you sign up for Pictory AI. And you guys can see this is one of my recent projects that I have created. It is very intuitive to use and easy to understand. You guys can see on the left, you can enter your story, so you can add your scene-by-scene content. Then you can choose your visuals, audio, styles, text, and more. I'm just going to play this and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And then after that, it's going to move towards the next scene like so. And then we can play the entire video. Once we're satisfied, we can click on preview video on the top right and preview how the entire video looks like. So this is what the entire video is going to look like. And it basically takes a lot of stock footage and is able to combine this accurately with your script. So Pictory AI does not create its own AI-based content. Instead, it takes content from around the internet and it's able to compile it for you. This is great for people that are trying to build informative videos. If you're trying to build, listicles, those types of videos can easily be created using this. Now, the second recommendation I have for you guys is Syllabi. Syllabi is another amazing tool, and when it comes to pricing, they have some pretty amazing deals going on. Their monthly pricing starts at $25 for 500 credits, where you can generate ideas, script, and videos, and you are able to choose 1,000 or 500 credits. With 500 credits on their basic plan, you get 30 plus avatars, one voice clone, video editor, social media, and you can schedule up to 20 posts for up to 2 weeks, and you have your own content calendar building. You can click on sign up over here to get started with Syllabi. Once you do that, you can create your account using Google, or you can create your account simply by proceeding with their email sign up. I'm just going to be using Google for a very quick and easy sign up. And once I have signed on over here, I can move on to my next step. So I'm just going to click on OK. Once I click on OK, this is what our subscription looks like. Now on the left, you can click on your dashboard to see your recents, and then you have thumbnails you can create. You can clone yourself as well. And then you can click on My Videos to view any of the videos that you have. You can even go into Discover Ideas to see what other people are creating. You can click on Generate Video now to get started with building your video. You have the ability to choose from one of their image styles. Let's say I want to proceed with a action, or let's say I want to be using their action movie, and then the subtitles, I want them to be Lumen. And then we have voice options. So we have a bunch of different voice options, and then video length options. Then we have the aspect ratio. So I want this to be a portrait video, and then I can use an AI script, URL to script, audio to script, or custom script. And this is going to be high. And these are the best action games this year. so on and so forth. I can click on add pause to add a 0.5 second pause, and then I can start adding the list. Number 1 is Action 101. Number 2 is Cobra. Number 3 is Change the Game. Like so. Once I've created my script, I can just click on generate video and it will create my video for me. So personally, I really do like to use Syllabi because the pricing on this is pretty decent and you are able to create some really amazing content. It is still, again, a paid tool, but it's not as expensive as using InVideo AI. Pictory and Syllabi have been my top picks for creating, content-based videos, especially if I'm building Reddit stories or something along those lines. So I definitely do think that, these options are great if you want to build this type of content. Now, if you want to build some other types of content, then you do have the options of using some of my other tools, which include VO3 and Midjourney. Now, Midjourney, again, is a paid tool. Midjourney previously was available for free, but now it is a paid tool. And VO3 you can try out for free, but again, you do need a Google AI subscription. However, both of these are pretty cheap. The Google AI subscription starts from $20, which gives you 1,500 credits. So it definitely is a pretty cheap subscription when it comes to the type of content you can create. And then you also have Midjourney. Midjourney allows you to subscribe for only $10 per month and create your content. However, for long-form content, if you're trying to create content for YouTube videos, you are going to have to upgrade from their smaller plans into some of their team plans. Now, these are just some examples of what I have created using Midjourney. Now, Midjourney does not have the native ability to create a video out of nowhere. You do need to provide it with the first frame. Because you can create images with Midjourney as well, I do not mind this because Midjourney creates my first image and then I can proceed with the rest of my video idea. These are just some examples of videos I have created using Midjourney. So this is one of the examples. This is one of the examples. This is one of the examples. So I have created, 4 variations of the same video, and we can even see what other people are creating using Midjourney. Then this is Flow, or Google's VO3, and these are some of the examples. Now, personally, when it comes to hyper-realistic content, if that is the focus of your channel or of your business, then you can easily create, especially if you're creating UGC ads, this is really amazing because VO3 has the ability to create some really amazing content that looks super realistic. If you saw this video, you would not be able to tell it's AI because it truly does not have any glitching and it looks really realistic. Then below that, I have some other examples. We have this one as well, and you can specify what type of content creator you want. This is again an example of what I have created, another influencer showing around her room. Then after that, we have this influencer, talking to the camera, and all of these are pretty standard and look very realistic. And this is an image of my eyeshadow palette, as you guys have previously seen. And this is a AI generated person that is advertising my, content, my palette. So just like that, you can get started with using some of these amazing InVideo AI alternatives. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.